Happy Saturday. At least it's Saturday for me. So you guys, I'm just hanging out this morning. Dude number one is at work. So I thought I'd get out of the house and just do a little piddling this morning. And there's this little country store that I've been wanting to check out. So I just figured, why not go on a field trip this morning? So y'all know the rules. Listen. Keep your hands to yourself. Don't be in here peeking up and a touching and a peeking up, okay? Y'all know how to behave. I don't know what they have in here. Just by looking at the outside, I'm thinking maybe they have like jams and jellies and homemade stuff, you know, but I don't know. So every time I pass by here, I'm curious. So today was the day for us to stop. And you guys, it's a beautiful Saturday morning. It's gonna be warm, but definitely a beautiful day. So let's get in here and be on your best behavior so you won't get sent back to the truck. Oh my, it's been minutes since I've seen these. Buffalo party mix. Interesting. With toffee. Gourmet salted peanuts. Okay. This is country ham.
first time in here?
Yes.
Well, I hope you're enjoying
Question.
it. Answer.
Do you do countertops or
Yes,
like
ma'am.
islands?
Yes, we're working on an island right now for a customer. This is our bar top for a coffee shop.
Oh my goodness.
So all this wood, other than the exotics here, you know, because those are imported. All the wood that's here is North Carolina species. We cut it. We own the sawmill and 2 kilns, so all of it's processed by us. And then we do special projects.
You guys, he needed to run and do something, but I have some ideas. So for me to walk up on this, it's just been wonderful. I can't wait to share my ideas with you guys, but has everything to do with some home upgrades that you guys know I want to start doing soon. But this is getting ready to be interesting.
This is one that has an epoxy pour on it. We're waiting on it to cure so we can sand it and get it cleaned up. And then we've got these that have a polyurethane finish on them.
Oh my goodness.
This is a whole stack of white oak and red oak that we've done. We've made.
Is this for a counter or
these
desk?
Are gonna be desktops.
Desktops.
As well.
Oh my goodness.
You know, what we like to say is that you've only got 2 limitations on it. It's going to be your imagination and your budget on what you want to have done.
Okay.
So as far as the finishes, that's what you were asking about. So you could get, there's numerous finishes that can be done.
Is this dry?
Yes. It's still a little tacky.
Oh, okay. I just wanted the kid in me wanted to just stick my finger in
absolutely.
it.
Absolutely. So these here, this is a polyurethane finish on this. And for a desktop, that is perfect.
This is beautiful.
And you know, there's so many different finishes for tabletops. We like to do something that's going to be durable because people are going to be sitting there eating, spilling drinks, dropping food. So we want to make sure it's going to be able to withstand the day-to-day use of it.
Oh, that piece is pretty down
That
there.
is a pecan as well.
Now, what would somebody use that for?
You know, that's the fun part about it. It's just a matter of looking at it and saying I could see that being
like a console table.
Yeah, I was going to say a console table or a sofa table.
Yes.
You know, clean off the bark off of it and make the legs, and I think it would be beautiful.
So do you guys do all of that? Like, would you make the legs and everything?
Yeah, we can do, as I said, as much or as little that needs to be done.
Do you guys like deliver and install and all of that? Or? No. Okay.
We can deliver. Some charges on that, but we don't install.
Okay. So a counter person, if it were counters or whatever,
right.
could do that type of thing.
And if a sink needs to be put in, we'd rather let your contractor do all that. That way, all the holes will be exactly where they need to be.
So they would do the holes. You guys would just do the wood.
We would get it all set up, and they would cut out the holes for your sink and your faucet. But that is something that's gorgeous wood.
So would you take all of the bark off?
I would. Only
Okay.
because what happens is, as it's drying, and it's already been run through our kiln, so it's been kiln dried, but the bark tends to loosen up and pop off.
Okay.
So for good quality, it's best to take the bark off as, like on this black walnut, where all the bark's already been removed.
It just looks so pretty with it on
does.
there.
It is.
Okay.
It's very pretty, but it can pop off, and then you're going to have some gaps.
So if that were a table, like an entryway table, console table, what kind of legs would you add to it?
Well, that's the great thing. It's all what you're wanting.
What if I don't know what I want?
Well, we can make tons of suggestions. We've got great ideas, but we want it to make it make it to where it's exactly what you want. Whether you want metal legs, we do that.
Oh, I didn't even think about
Yeah,
that.
we incorporate a lot of metal with our wood. It goes from a rustic modern look.
Yes.
We do
That sounds
wooden
like
legs.
me.
So yeah, it's all of the imagination of how you want it to be.
Oh my goodness.
Let's say if you just went with a polyurethane finish on this, and you wanted some of these checks to be filled in, and then do
But that doesn't it look? Would you want them filled in?
It's going to depend on what you're using it for. So if it's something that people may put some drinks on or something,
You would want to fill them in.
you'd want them filled in because you don't want anything getting down in there.
Okay. Oh, that's a pretty piece
That's another
too.
piece of peach in there.
Let me go back over here and look at this. Let me grab my phone.
It's gonna be a little, I don't have a good spot to get to it right now. You can step right
Can
in,
I?
but please be careful.
Oh, I can scoot through here. Oh my goodness. So that pecan. Oh, here we are. That's pretty too.
Yes.
That's a
And now
little
here's
bit.
a longer piece.
Let me go. No, I'm just.
I don't
I'm
want-
just.
I don't want you
Don't
to-
want me to fall. Thank
Yes,
you for
ma'am.
helping me.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my! I'm just like.
This
I
is
am just
cherry.
blown. It's like I have stumbled upon. Oh my goodness.
Well, this is our passion, so we love doing this. See, this is just the bar top that you were standing at earlier. That was pecan also. It came off the same. They all came off the same.
And this
line.
has to come off.
Yeah, see how it's separated here? That's what'll
Yes.
happen. And so to give you a good quality piece, I think it should
It's
come off.
so much. Ooh, it's just so much character.
And if you don't take this off, it's going to collect dust, and you're going to fight to get it out of there.
Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. This is amazing. You guys, when I tell you that I have come across this hidden gem of a place. What an unexpected, amazing field trip this morning. Y'all, that woodworking area is just amazing. Amazing. Wow. So you guys, listen. I was in there much longer than what I had planned to be. But it was definitely well worth it. Oh my goodness. So this was a quick little weekend check-in with you guys to get you out of the house, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, if you enjoyed our field trip, ooh, look at that truck coming behind me. Girl, you just a talking and a cruising. Get out of the way. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, please consider doing so by hitting the nosy. That's turning on that notification bell. That way you'll be notified whenever we are doing all the things. All the things. So thank you all so much for watching. We already look forward to you joining me or maybe us again next time. Bye.